Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I have a M Sport 2019 1 Series BMW. I'm going to show you how to change rear brake pad and update onboard computer system. Stay with me, take a good idea. After that, I'm pretty sure you can do your own like this job. Also, if you still didn't subscribe our channel, please do it now. Press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Underneath here, jacking point. When you do, you can see underneath there black color square box. That's a jack point. Need to jack up the car. Going to remove tire. This tire won't come. You can use your foot like this, or you can use rubber hammer like that, hammer to the tire wall in backside like this. But however, I have a fully confidence my leg. I'm going to do it like this. You can see rust build up, that's why it won't come. When you're going to put the tire back, make sure clean that area. Need to remove these two pins. When you do it very gently, otherwise you ending with damaged paint. After that, I'm going to using plier like this and take out from other end. Just wiggle, twist and pull, it will come out. Same way you need to do to the top one. It's out. Next step, you need to press in piston. I'm using 2 flat screwdrivers like this and press. However, you need to go after that one by one side. This is the holding clip. Take it out one side, clean it properly, install new pad. After that, you can go to the other side. Clean that area. I'm going to compare old pad and new pad identically. Okay, yes, it's okay. I'm going to install. After that, need to move to the next side. Same way, using flat screwdriver and press caliper piston in. Remove all pad. Clean around that area using wire brush like this. Install other pad. Make sure clean this 2-pin and holding bracket before you install. This metal bit doing big job for the brake pads. It's holding brake pad nicely and give pressure for the retention brake pad, avoiding binding. Reinstall pin. Reinstall brake pad holding bracket. Reinstall bottom pin. Unfortunately, the brake pad wear sensor other side. I'm sorry I can't show you how to replace brake pad wear sensor, but it's not hard. When you do, you know what to do. I'll leave it with you. Make sure always come out from this side like a top one. Still not come out now. You can see as it is, it will coming same like a top one. After that, I'll mention early, you need to clean around that area inside the tire also well. Apply little bit copper grease afterward, then it's make it easy to when you're going to remove the tire next time. Going to reinstall tire. Lower the jack. When you done the brake pads, make sure tighten up the tire properly. Then after that, don't going to leave it this important wheel lock nut key here, because some scenarios I heard they left it as it is, going to misplace this one and ending with the additional problem. Once you've done the job, make sure take it out and put it inside safer place like me. I'm going to leave it this one here and hand over to customer. Next step, This one also very important. Once you done the brake, press this pedal until it's getting up. 5-6 times pump before you take to the road. Now it's pedal up. You see as it is, it's hard. And one more thing to do, this one 2019 model, then we need to reset from the computer once you've done the brake pad. I'm going to show you step by step how to reset from the computer. It's depend on your computer. I'm using Snap-on computer, but if you're using other computer, don't worry, follow the instruction whatever computer give it to you, then end of the day you will find. Stay with me, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Need to ignition on, select vehicle, BMW, yes, automatic ID, continue, 1 series F20, 21, 1.6 diesel, going to the service mode, service interval reset. You can see as it is engine oil 61%, front brake pad 100%, just done the front brake pad, rear brake pad 4%. I'm going to reset this value, go to the rear brake pad, press yes, continue, parking brake, yes, continue, resetting, reset complete, continue. Now you can see as it is rear brake pad value change, it's 100%. Early it was 4%, that means it's reset. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Thanks again. See you with another video.